There is no doubt that many institutions and influential parties are beginning to see Cardano's potential. For instance, in this video, I will share with you what Apple's CEO just revealed about this shocking news about Cardano that could impact its price to skyrocket soon. So make sure to stay tuned. The cryptocurrency Cardano may no longer rank among the top 3 cryptocurrencies. Although the coin still looks optimistic, it has exhibited a bullish trend over the last few weeks and is still moving on a 24-hour basis. Meanwhile, due to the sudden and massive decline of the coin, the entire Cardano community has been left disappointed as the coin price dropped below $2. Further, the price is currently holding steady at 1.31 cents in the second week of December. As more bulls and bullish investors began taking interest in the coin and are willing to spend on it, the coin value will automatically rise along with the demand, increasing the price. Investors who are considered bulls are big investors who watch coins with great potential and invest in them often, causing their value to skyrocket. Moreover, with Cardano's current downward trend, however, is it possible that the major players have retreated and maybe called it a day? So how does Tim Cook factor into this price movement? And how is the price movement influenced by other factors? That's why in this video we will dive deep into what Tim Cook just talked about in regards to Cardano and how it might be the one factor that influences an upward movement in Cardano's value in upcoming weeks. Don't miss out on the information we're going to discuss by watching through to the end of the video. If you're wondering or are familiar with the name Tim Cook, know that he is an American billionaire and executive in the technology sector. As Apple Incorporated's current CEO, he took over the position in 2011 when Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, died as a result of pancreatic cancer. At the time, Cook had been working at the company for more than 20 years. Before becoming Apple's CEO, Cook worked for the company as its chief operating officer, serving in the company's second-in-command. Previously, he served as chairman of the board of the shoe and athletic apparel brand Nike, a position he'd held since 2005. Meanwhile, during his tenure, he helped the company reach the largest market capitalization in the world. Moreover, Cook owns less than 1% of Apple stock at the moment, estimated at around 3.3 million shares. It is said that he has bought and sold more than 100 million shares in the last few months. Currently, he is ranked 2,263 on the global list of billionaires in 2021. Furthermore, he is 8th on the list of innovative leaders in 2019 and 24th on the list of the most powerful people in the world in 2018. There is no question that big names in the industry can make a huge impact on the direction of the market, as shown by the way all these crypto coins are taking the top spots or fighting for them. Taking Bitcoin as an example, it leads the way for all other cryptocurrencies. Since its creation, this crypto asset has met with a lot of criticism, but ultimately grew in popularity. Then, as we knew it, their interest led to the coin's value soaring as big financial institutions, countries, and bulls became interested. Additionally, our research shows that institutional investors who have a lot of money or power to their name tend to drive the value of the cryptos they own higher. So what exactly does Tim Cook have to do with Cardano ADA? Can he be one of the bulls that helps Cardano to reach new heights? Among crypto enthusiasts or investors, Cardano users in particular ask and speculate on these frequently asked questions, and there is a good reason why. During the DealBook Summit, Cook discussed his beliefs about cryptocurrencies and emphasized his support for them. During the summit, he suggested that crypto coins would make a great addition to one's portfolio. In addition, he said it was obvious when he was asked if he owned any Bitcoin or Ethereum tokens. According to Cook, owning Apple stock as part of a diversified portfolio makes sense for him, as he told Andrew Ross Sorkin in an interview he had with him. Additionally, he shared that he is not providing investment advice to anyone. In addition, Cook stated that he had invested in cryptocurrencies for a while and he had conducted his research into crypto assets. At the interview, he explained to the interviewee that his interest in cryptocurrencies was a matter of personal preference. Meanwhile, he refuted speculations that Apple might jump into crypto in the future. Also, he said people do not buy Apple's stock to be exposed to crypto, not because that is not the case, but because he does not think people would invest their money in crypto. Thus, Apple did not intend to use company funds to purchase cryptocurrencies as an investment. Tim Cook didn't completely lose hope, though, as he did voice his views on cryptocurrencies as Apple's CEO, stating that he could see the potential in cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, there were currently not many plans in place to accomplish this, even though it could be very effective for the business. Furthermore, he said that it is not something they plan plan to do soon. Moreover, Tim Cook is thought to hold Cardano as one of his biggest crypto holdings by many in the cryptocurrency community, especially ADA owners. Considering the upward movement the coin is experiencing, it is not too far-fetched of Ethereum. Further, the Cardano project has no doubt shown a tendency toward multi-million-dollar companies in the past. Also, Cardano is receiving global attention and even global support from countries and bullish investors. There is already speculation, although it has not been proven, that big investors like Kevin O'Leary, who is uncomfortable with Cardano's compliance and sustainability, may have invested in other much bigger and valuable crypto coins. Concerning Apple, Cook is also reported to have received 5 million shares of the company, estimated to be worth $750 million. Additionally, it will also get additional Apple stock grants from now until 2026, where the number of shares will be dependent on the performance of Apple shares. Despite this, Cook has repeatedly stated that he plans to donate the majority of his gains and wealth to charity, similar to many other billionaires like Bill Gates. Given Tim Cook's history, I'm confident he has researched various coins in depth, and most likely following consultations with world-renowned financial advisors to search for the right assets to invest in, and after considering many expert opinions. Since his wealth is primarily intended for improving human living conditions in modern society, it is hard to doubt that this is his intended purpose. Then if Cook donates these coins to charity, Cardano would be among the top 10 most sustainable and most valuable coins in the world. In light of Cook's interest and intent for the future, it would be reasonable to expect that he owns Cardano. Cardano may also provide an alternative solution to issues that Kevin O'Leary dealt with, so therefore Tim Cook would have a high opinion of it as a peaceful, safe, and sound investment. How would he benefit from trading Cardano? Ryan Vlastelica wrote for Bloomberg in early February about the potential benefits of investing in crypto for Apple. As presented in the article, Apple Incorporated would succeed in the same way Tesla did, leading to billions of dollars in profits. Meanwhile, Mitch Steve of a Wall Street financial analysis said that if Apple sets up a crypto exchange platform, it is likely to become a viral sensation, taking a good portion of the market away from the company. For the company, the wallet initiative appears like a very good multi-million-dollar opportunity. And with limited R&D, the company could generate over $40 billion in revenue per year. Many financial institutions, exchange platforms, and other industries that deal with these assets have already begun to include Cardano as part of their long list of cryptocurrencies they can trade. Until now, crypto mining has largely proven to be a reliable trade. In the same way that PayPal's value rose by 40% after it announced that users would be able to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, new Apple stock would rise to the top of the charts, as is seen with other companies like Apple. Meanwhile, Tesla has invested $1.5 billion in cryptocurrency since it intends to use the assets as a payment method. As a result, Bitcoin saw a significant price increase, hitting $44,000, and Tesla rose by 1.3%. The RBC has also commented about how progressive adding cryptocurrencies to their platform would be. If Apple decided to invest in the coin, they would be taking a great opportunity to build a massive following in the community. Additionally, they advise using Bitcoin or another digital currency on the poll's balance sheet. Another possibility is to use Cardano for trading. Apple Exchange would then receive more users, Steve said, which would likely help the Bitcoin price to rise even more. Adding this crypto to Apple's business would be very beneficial. Though they would need to stay on top of the movements of crypto and invest more in maintenance, the potential benefit to the company could be immense. Tim Cook certainly looks like he has a lot to gain from crypto, as he already mentions the idea of capturing these coins and selling them. And I think based on his view of crypto, he probably holds Cardano as one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in his portfolio, which may explain why the coin is expected to experience bullish trends until early 2021. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.